Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to take crypto money out. First, you need to choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange or platform that supports converting your digital assets into traditional fiat currency, like US dollars or euros. Next, ensure your account is fully verified. This usually involves providing identification documents to comply with Know Your Customer, or KYC, regulations. Finally, always review the fee structure for both conversion and withdrawal before proceeding with any transaction. Once your crypto is converted, you have several options for receiving your money. A common method is a direct bank transfer, which is secure and reliable, though it might take a few business days. Alternatively, some platforms offer withdrawals to a debit card, providing quicker access to your funds. For those seeking more direct control, peer-to-peer platforms allow you to sell your crypto directly to another individual, often with various payment methods. It's crucial to understand the costs and limitations involved. Exchange fees for converting crypto to fiat usually fall between 0.1% and 1% of the transaction value. Additionally, platforms often impose daily or monthly withdrawal limits, which could range from $10,000 to $50,000, depending on your verification level. Remember to account for any network fees if you're moving crypto between wallets before converting it. To complete your withdrawal, always double-check all the details, especially bank account numbers or card information, to prevent errors. Once confirmed, monitor the transaction status within the platform until the funds are successfully deposited into your chosen account. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several business days. Finally, maintain meticulous records of all your withdrawals for future reference and tax reporting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.